Critic AI app, habit tracker, routine builder, and AI coach. New, a popular app. Your custom confidence roadmap, level up in real life on your screen time. Our all-in-one life coach. So Critic AI helps you get locked in and stay consistent, build habits, track goals, log workouts, compete with friends, climb rankings. But this is with help of AI and AI agents. And then you can just create daily habits, build streaks, track progress, log meals fast, track calories, macros, scan food, log workouts, see your progress, track gym performance, save routines. So block distracting apps, use screen lock focus mode to stay on track, build discipline with daily limits. And you can also invite friends. So this is kind of the app. Yeah, it's only like it says $40 per year. And then you need to upgrade for this to use it. There is no free trial, there is nothing. It asks me to onboard. There is some kind of onboarding thing. And that's kind of the idea. Yeah, but then, yeah, this is just what you're having. And yeah, unfortunately, you can only use it with upgrade at the moment. So that's what it is.